Good morning, students. Welcome back to Moral Science Class 2. Yesterday you read Lesson 5 Save Water from your textbook and had learned advantages of saving water along with the disadvantages of not saving water. And today we will read a story given in our book. Students, this story is about a king and his brilliant advisor Balraj. This king wanted to know which is the most precious and invaluable thing on earth. Now, let's read this story to know the answer. Now, students, keep your finger on the book. Let's read. Story. Let us read the story to know the importance of water. Underline here the word importance. It means of great value. Of great, G-R-E-A-T, great, value, V-A-L-U-E, value. There was a large kingdom near a hill. Underline the word kingdom. Kingdom means country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. The king had a council of ministers. Underline here the word council. It means group of advisor. G-R-O-U-P, group, O-F, of advisors. A-D-V-I-S-E-R-S, advisors. The main advisor to the king, underline the word advisor. Advisor means guide. G-U-I-D-E, guide. The main advisor to the king was a very intelligent man, Balraj. Underline the word intelligent. Intelligent means brilliant. B-R-I-L-L-I-A-N-T, brilliant. One day the king asked his courtiers, underline the word courtiers, it means advisors of king. A-D-V-I-S-E-R-S, advisors of king. O-F-K-I-N-G, king. The king asked his courtiers, tell me about the thing which is the most precious and invaluable thing on the earth. Underline the word invaluable. It means very important. V-E-R-Y, very, I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T, important. A courtier said, my lord, I think gold is the most precious thing on the earth. The other courtier said, sorry, your majesty. Underline the word majesty. Majesty means royal power. R-O-Y-A-L, royal, P-O-W-E-R, power. I think diamond is the most precious. Some other courtiers said, money is more valuable than gold or diamond. Students, in this story we have just read that the king wanted to know which is the most valuable and important thing in the world. So he asked this question from his group of advisors. Some said gold is the most valuable thing. Some said no, it's diamond. And some said money is the most valuable and important thing. Let's read next. The king was not satisfied. Underline the word not satisfied. It means disappointed. D-I-S-A-P-P-O-I-N-T-E-D, disappointed. In Hindi it means nakhush. He asked Balraj, whose answer do you find correct? Underline here the word correct. It means right. R-I-G-H-T, right. Balraj said, My lord, according to me, none is correct. I believe. Underline here the word believe. It means trust. 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 That water is the most precious thing on the earth. The king became furious. Underline the word furious. It means angry. 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 He said, "How foolish!" Underline the word foolish. It means stupid. 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 How foolish! Diamond is the most precious thing. The Almighty God. Underline the word Almighty. It means powerful. Power. Power. Ful. Full. Powerful. The Almighty God has given us plenty of water in the form of rivers, pools, tanks, etc. Underline here the word plenty. It means enough. 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 And you say, water is the most precious thing? I do not agree with you. The king asked him to prove his point. Balraj said that he would prove his point at the right time. Now students, after listening their answers, king was not satisfied. So he asked his best advisor, Balraj, the same question, to which Balraj said, water is the most precious and valuable thing on the earth. After listening to Balraj's answer, the king he got very angry and asked Balraj to prove his point. A few days later, the king decided to go hunting. Underline here the word hunting. It means to kill wild animals for fun. To kill, 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 wild, 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 animals, 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 for fun, For fun, fun. He took Balraj along with him. Balraj arranged. Underline here the word arranged. It means to set. Set. For everything that was required. Underline the word required. It means needed. 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 The king chased. Underline the word chased. It means to run after. The king chased and hunted animals the whole day. Now the king was feeling tired. He asked Balraj to arrange a place where he could relax. Underline here the word relax. It means rest. 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 Balraj arranged a place and made him comfortable. Underline the word comfortable. It means cozy. Cozy. The king hadn't had a single drop of water throughout the day. He had been so busy hunting, he asked Balraj to arrange some drinking water for him. But Balraj, instead of, underline the word instead, it means in place of. Place, place of. Off. But Balraj, instead of bringing water for him, presented the king with a tray full of diamonds. The king became very angry with him. He said, I am dying of thirst. Underline the word thirst. It means a feeling to drink something. Write down a feeling, 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 to drink, drink, something, Something. I am dying of thirst and you are playing jokes on me? What shall I do with these diamonds? Throw them away and bring some water for me. Balraj said, My lord, I have proved my point. Now I need not to tell you how precious the water is. He gave him water. The king drank the water and quenched his thirst. Underline the word quenched. It means satisfied by drinking something. SATISFY, satisfy, by BY, drinking, DRINKING, drinking. Something, SOMETHING, something. Now he had understood that water is the most precious thing. Now here, after some days, King went for hunting with Balraj. After hunting for the whole day, the king got tired and he was very thirsty also. When he asked Balraj to give him some water, Balraj offered him diamonds in place of water. Because of this, king got very angry. Now, at that moment, Balraj proved his point that water is most precious and valuable thing. Now students, we have just read that king was very thirsty and no other thing in place of water could satisfy his thirst. Students, gold, money or any other valuable thing is not as important as water. We can live without money. We can live without food also for some days. But we cannot live without water even for one day. Thus, moral of the story is water is the most precious thing on earth. So, it is our moral duty to save water. Now, at the end, take the most suitable title for the story: The Thirsty King or The Value of Water. Now, students, let's do a situation. Suppose your gardener is watering the plants with pipe. Will you suggest him to save water by using water can or will you ignore him? Students, here you can say, I will suggest my gardener to water the plants with the help of water can so as to save water. Now, your homework is to read this chapter again and do exercise A, B and C on book by yourself. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, kids.